Welcome to the Windows and Computers channel, and I'm going to have a little talk today about Windows 10 April 2018 update. Maybe rant a little bit. So, of course, we had learned that more than half of all Windows 10 users were already on April 2018 update. Today we learned full availability. So that means you don't have it, you want it. Microsoft swears that if you go and download it manually, it should go well. The problem is, that's not what we see when we look at the general forums. Seems to be a lot of problems depending on who you are and what you are using as hardware. So it's kind of a weird thing here, as if Microsoft is really not kind of seeing anything. One of the things also, that UK report that says that about half of Windows 10 users had issues at some point with Windows 10. Including bad drivers, devices that would stop working, Bluetooth, all sorts of little things. 46% of all of these people with problems had to pay third party to basically fix their computers. It's these are not nice numbers, and these are not what you want to hear and what you want to see. That UK watchdog is saying that Microsoft should reevaluate how they update and how frequently they update. And also, the quality of the update. Once again, we got to turn our attention partly to the insider team. How can this go without no one really noticing much? I don't know, but this is kind of a it's not very positive, and it's very, very worrying. Especially if we look at the next update will be in probably October of this year, something like that. It's just nuts. How can they not see or almost ignore whatever is happening with Windows 10 April 2018 update? So there were a few fixes this week in the Patch Tuesday. So of course there are some bugs that were fixed. Some of you have actually told me that some of the problems you had actually gone away after Patch Tuesday this week. But still, it's a very limited number of fixes when you compare to what is happening, really. So, I don't know. It's something bizarre. And, of course, there's some of you that do say that you have no issues. You know what? I had problems with the upgrade, because we do learn that one of the problems that's happening, there's incompatibility with some of the files from Fall Creators Update that might make the April 2018 experience crappy. Possibly I had that because when I moved to April 2018 update and clean installed, everything's fine. I mean, I had to reinstall Mail and Calendar because a glitch happened. But apart from that, it works flawlessly. It's actually very fast and very good, which is kind of interesting when you look at what's happening here. So, clean install maybe, for those that wonder. There's a lot of little things that are very, very surprising in the April 2018 update. And we're not seeing across the board people saying, oh yeah, it works great. At the 90+% rate, we see a lot of people having little glitches in Windows 10 April 2018 update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.